All right, don't mind the noise of the party going on behind us. But this is a Keystone Laredo TT. 292 bunkhouse, 33.9 feet. It has a big slide. I have yet to go in this thing. Kaylee said I have to see it. It's all right space. It probably makes up for it somewhere else with some storage in the back. I'm interested for Kaylee to say I need to see a bunkhouse, because that's not what we're interested in at all. But it looks nice. Oh, I bet this is going to be an outdoor kitchen. Well, I thought I had it. Oh yeah. Nice big outdoor kitchen. Power. It's nice. Let's see here. Friction hinge on the door. There's Kaylee.
I wish we needed a bunkhouse because I love it.
That's how I felt about the last one. Wow. It is pretty. It feels really nice. That's a big bunkhouse. It's crazy. I feel like these bunkhouses give you so much room for these beds. I could sleep on this. Wow. Long bathroom. It's kind of different having the toilet like that, but it all feels really nice. Feels like a pretty good size corner shower. Livable.
Isn't that stupid?
What's that?
Why'd they put the toilet like that?
Oh, I know, it's different. Very strange. A few inches deep. Yeah, but I don't hate it. I mean,
It's awkward.
I'd rather have my space. Good space for your dog.
No, it's
Oh.
not toilet.
And that looks like a door in the back for access too. So that's that extra storage we were looking for. Your instrument cluster. Wi-Fi router built in. Okay. Wow. Lots of space up here. Let's see. Tons of space down below also. That's a cool looking fridge. You don't see black very often with this scratch proof front end. Wow. I like the cabinet space. There's tons of room. Lots of storage again. How long is this, Kaylee? 33 feet?
It might be 38.
No, it's not that big.
33?
I don't know. What's this? Storage. That's nice they made it match the oven. Tiny little oven.
Storage under the bench seating?
Oh yeah, there's storage under the benches. Nice big sink. Cutting board on top. Take a look at the bedroom. It's a queen, but it's got a second door, which is always nice. Lots of mirrors. Good space up here. Again, nice leather up above where you can hit your head on things. The decoration just seems they put some time into.
It's old though, like old school.
Yeah, it's old style. The dark browns and everything. The valences. But it's nice and spacious. Definitely another good option for the bunkhouse. So yeah.
Did you get that for the thumbnail?
Get that for the thumbnail. Hey! All right, bye.